Namaste, welcome to Gita's kitchen. Today we'll see another festival recipe, that is Channa Dal Vadai. So no onions, no garlic, because we are making it as an offering. Earlier also on different occasions I have shown you how to make Vadai. In today's video I want to focus on the tips and tricks on making a crispy Vadai. Here I have 1 cup of this Channa Dal, which has been soaking for 3 hours now. Along with that, I just soaked 3 dry red chillies, and while grinding we will add green chillies and a small piece of ginger. Apart from that, we need some coriander leaves and curry leaves. So tip number 1, soak the dal for about 3 hours. Next, tip number 2, drain out the water completely from the dal. In a blender jar, first you add these dry chilies and also green chilies, ginger, and grind this into a paste. The ginger and chilies have been crushed. Now add the drained dal to it, and we have to make a coarse paste. See, we have ground it into a coarse and thick paste. If there are 1 or 2 pieces of dal which are not ground, that doesn't matter, that will add to the taste of the vada. So I will just remove it onto this bowl. This is the third tip, grind it into a thick paste. I have not used any water while grinding. So as far as possible, try not to use any water, or if it is difficult, just use 1 or 2 teaspoons of water, that's all. Next, we'll add the salt to taste. This is some Hing. A few fresh curry leaves you can just roughly chop and add, and also finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix all these ingredients very well. As I said, we are making it for a festival, so no onions or any other masala items in this. Keep some oil for heating. When the oil is hot, reduce it to medium. See that the oil is not very hot. If it is very hot, the outer layer will get easily browned and the inner will be uncooked. Now dip your hands in some water and take out small portions of this vada batter. Wet your palm. We always use clean washed hands, so no problem. Place it and just flatten it like this. And slide it into the oil. If you have a banana leaf, then you can do it on that also. Or if you don't have access to a banana leaf, you can use any butter paper or this, baking paper, and use that too. Next tip, don't put the ladle inside immediately. Just wait for a minute or 2, and after that you gently flip the vadas over. And wait till they get evenly cooked and browned, golden brown on all sides. From time to time, you can just keep flipping it over like this carefully in the oil. Now when it comes to a lovely, perfect golden color, carefully drain it out from the oil. Likewise, we will do with the remaining vadais also. Also, don't crowd the oil. Just add as many vadais as the oil will hold. Always cook it on a medium flame. See, now this batch is also done. See, perfect golden crispy vadais, the traditional South Indian prasadam style. Really crisp and nice. Two important items on the menu for any South Indian festival or special lunch menu are Vadai and payasam. So here we have this special Channa Dal Vadai all ready. So I'm sure many of you will already be knowing all these tips, but on our channel we always like to focus on beginners so that they can get it right too. Today I have soaked 1 cup of this Channa Dal, 1 cup with this measuring cup, which is about 150 ml by volume. So with this 1 cup of Channa Dal, we have got about 12 vadais of this size. So accordingly you can calculate and soak depending on how many vadais you require. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting recipe video from Gita's Kitchen.